Hey beautiful beings, my name is Maja and today we are going to do some EFT tapping or meridian tapping for forgiveness. We are going to help let go of feelings or emotions that we are holding on to from something that someone may have done to us. So perhaps it caused us frustration, anger, sadness, a feeling of betrayal, whatever it might be, helping us to let go and forgive. Because when we are not forgiving someone, when we are holding on to something that they've done, we are actually causing more harm to ourselves when we are holding in those emotions and when we are not processing those emotions. We are actually causing energy blockages within ourselves and we're holding ourselves back from achieving a lot of different things. So it's really important that we process those emotions, let them go, and learn to forgive. Now, I'm not saying you to have to start up a relationship with this person again. You don't have to become best friends or lovers or whatever it may be again. But it's important to forgive and let go. So that is what we are going to be working on today. So if that is something that you need help with, then go ahead and find a quiet place to practice. Let's get our bodies relaxed, let's get our minds calm, and let's get our energy flowing. Great, so now that you have found a quiet place to practice, we will go ahead and get started as always. Make sure your arms, your legs are uncrossed so that your energy can flow freely. Make sure you are well hydrated because water is energy also. It is a good conductor of energy, so it's important to be hydrated, and we will get started. Just go ahead and place one hand on your heart and the other on your lower belly and take a few breaths here, and we're just going to breathe into whatever situation or the person, whatever it was, that we're trying to process and forgive. So we just want to get into that space, bring up the emotions that stir in our body. So perhaps it is sadness, it is grief, betrayal, whatever it may be. Get into that mindset because we want to be there in order to help process them. So go ahead and just sit here for a second, and we're going to take a deep breath in through the nose and slow breathe out and start to tapping. So repeat after me. Even though I struggle with forgiveness, forgiving this person for what they've done because they caused me so much pain, I choose to love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I hold in these emotions, not wanting to let go and forgive this person because they made me so angry and they hurt me so badly. I choose to love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I struggle with forgiving, why should I forgive this person? Why should I let them free or what they've done? Because they've caused me so much pain. I want them to feel the pain as well, even though I'm struggling to forgive this person, and I know deep down that it's only hurting me. I choose to love, honor, and accept myself. And I choose to take this time to forgive, struggling to forgive. I'm struggling to forgive. Of course, I'm struggling. I'm struggling to forgive this person. They've caused me so much pain. They really, really hurt me, and they don't deserve my forgiveness. I want them to feel hurt like I felt. And the only way I know to do that is to not forgive them. I want them to feel all the pain that I'm feeling, and they hurt me so badly. There are days that it's all I can think about, and it hurt me physically as much as it hurts me mentally. When I think of that, what they've done to me, and how they hurt me, how that is painful, and my stomach hurts. Sometimes I even lose my appetite. All those physical emotions I'm feeling, I need to release them. I know I need to forgive and let go because I know this is only hurting me as much as I want them to feel hurt. I know not forgiving is only hurting myself. And as much as it pains me, I know I need to let go and forgive. I know I need to let go and forgive, but it's just so hard because they really, really hurt me. They changed the way I view myself, and they changed the way I view my life, feeling like I need to wear a protective layer around myself, finding it hard to let other people in, because all because of what this one person have done, and I want them to feel every bit of this pain, and the only way I know how to do this is to shut them out. I just want to shut them out and let them feel the pain, be all the pain that they're causing me. I want them to hurt as badly as I do, but I know I'm only hurting myself, and there is no need for me to be best friends with this person again or lovers. Maybe the relationship's too damaged for it and to get better, but I know I need to let go and forgive what happened, process what they did, and let it free from my body, because me holding in this anger and this frustration and this betrayal is only hurting myself. So yes, what they did was really crappy and it really, really hurt. But it's done and over. And I need to let it go and move on. I need to forgive and let go. So I'm taking this time to release all those emotions that I'm holding, to stop myself from replaying the situation over and over again, releasing the pain that I have in my heart, releasing that dread I have in my stomach. Just time to release it all from my body. I'm ready to let it go, and it's safe to let it go. I know that because I'm stronger, I'm and wiser now. So it's safe to let it go. I know that, and I forgive you. I forgive you. I forgive you for what you've done to me. Letting go of these emotions I'm holding in and releasing them from my body. I'm ready and I know it's safe. I forgive you. I forgive you. I forgive you. And then just, I forgive you. I want to releasing them from my body and letting go of these emotions I'm holding in. I forgive you. I forgive you for what you've done to me. Letting go of these emotions I'm holding in. Releasing my body. I'm ready. I know it's safe. I forgive you. I know it's safe. I forgive you. I'm ready to let it go. It's safe to let it go. Because I'm stronger and wiser now, so it's safe to let it go. I forgive you. I forgive you. I forgive you. I forgive you for what you've done to me. Letting go of these emotions I'm holding in, releasing them from my body. I'm ready. It's safe. I forgive you. I really forgive you. I know it's safe. I'm ready to let it go. It's safe to let it go because I'm stronger. So it's safe to let it go. It is just time to release it all from my body. I'm ready to let it go. I'm safe. I'm ready. I forgive you. I'm just letting go of these emotions I'm holding in my body. I'm releasing them from my body and I'm ready. It is safe. I forgive you. I know I am safe. I know I am ready to let it go. I know it is safe to let it go because I'm stronger and wiser now. So it's safe to let it go and I forgive you. I forgive you. I forgive you for what you've done to me. Letting go of these emotions I'm holding in. I forgive you for everything. I am ready to let it go. It's safe to let it go because I'm stronger now. So it's safe to let it go and I forgive you. I forgive you. I forgive you for what you've done to me. I forgive you for what you've done to me. I forgive you. 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 And then go ahead and take a minute, just settle back into your body. See how you feel now when you think of the situation. Does it feel a little bit lighter? And I hope it feel. And hopefully it does. Hopefully that help you to process some of those, let go of some of that heavy emotions you're feeling from holding in forgiving someone. Like I said, it only hurts you more than them. So releasing it, releasing the situation and learning to forgive. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. As always, please, please, please let me know in the comments. I always love to hear from you guys, and I will be back soon with new video and new practice and share more. Take care for now.